In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a no-code workflow in N8N, a powerful tool that helps you automate tasks and integrate different services without needing to write a single line of code. Imagine the possibilities, from simplifying repetitive tasks to connecting apps seamlessly. That's what we're diving into today, so let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to the workflow section of N8N. This is essentially your control center, where you'll create and manage all of your automated workflows. You can find this by navigating to the N8N dashboard on your preferred web browser. It's an intuitive platform that makes the workflow building process convenient and straightforward. Once you're on the workflows page, look for the option that lets you create a new workflow. Typically, there's a button labeled Create Workflow. Clicking on this will start the process of building your new workflow from scratch, and it will open up a blank canvas where you can begin to piece together your automation masterpiece. With your new workflow open, you'll see a plus sign usually towards the top. This plus sign is your gateway to adding nodes. Nodes are essentially individual tasks that you string together to form a complete workflow. Click on the plus sign and you'll have a range of nodes to choose from, depending on the type of task you want to automate. At this point, selecting a trigger is crucial. A trigger acts as the starting point of your workflow, the event that kicks everything off. This could be anything from receiving an email, an event altering your calendar, or a change in a database. Choosing the right trigger depends on what you need your workflow to respond to. Explore the options and select a trigger that aligns with your intended automation process. After setting your trigger, you have to actually test your workflow to ensure it's working as expected. This means returning to your workflow editor and clicking on Execute Step. This action simulates the trigger event and helps you verify that all subsequent processes are correctly configured and producing the desired results. If necessary, make adjustments until everything runs smoothly. Try to think of it as fine-tuning an instrument, ensuring every note in your workflow plays perfectly when the trigger starts the process. And there you have it, a functional no-code workflow built in N8N, ready to automate your tasks and streamline your day-to-day operations. Remember, the more you experiment with different nodes and triggers, the more proficient you'll become at creating complex and truly useful workflows. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and feel free to explore further with N8N to discover even more capabilities. Happy automating!